Ndị be anyị ndewonu. Ọ bụ Ada Igbo na-ekwu na Igbo Media. N'Igbo Media, anyị na-ewetara unu ọtụtụ ozi gbasara ihe na-emegasị na Biafra land, n'ala Igbo na mba ndị ọzọ. N'ụbọchị nke taata, o nwere ihe bịara n'iru akwụkwọ anyị nke anyị ga-agụpụtara unu n'ụbọchị taa. Anyị gụpụtachaa ya, unu egee ya ka ọha n'uju. Ị ga-esie ya, ị drọpụọla your comment, like kwa this our video and gbasakwa ya ka o ruo ụmụnna anyị n'ebe dị iche iche arụ. This is according to Biafra activist wetara ozi n'ihu akwụkwọ as he quoted, "Breaking news, world leaders react, Nigeria ex-soldier petition Tinubu's government in ICC, UN, AU injustice against Nnamdi Kanu and Biafra nation." Onya bụ ozi ka anyị ji wee bịa tata na Igbo Media. Ị ga-esi anya bụ ozi, gbaa mbọ gwa ya ichere na comment section ma gbasakwa ozi a ka ozi a rute ụmụnna anyị n'ebe dị iche iche aka.
If you get hand, put for the detention, unlawful detention of Nnamdi Kanu, come on hand. Marshal, if you get hand, put for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, remove your hand. Naval, Chief of Naval Staff, if you get hand, put for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, remove hand. The reason why they called una house make una remove hand, make una release Nnamdi Kanu. The life of security, the life of non-commissioned soldier, police, when they don't go in the issue of Biafra from east, it don't too much. They don't slaughter a lot life of soldiers. They have killed a lot of soldiers, buried them in a shallow grave, eat some. They have killed a lot of police, mobile police. Atura, they have killed a lot of security in the north, all in the name of Biafra. I am not supporting them of their killing, but in other hand, they have the reason of killing. One, they detain Nnamdi Kanu unlawfully with the help of the government of Kenya. That one, the destination they their hand, and they now find that they are not terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu is not a leader of any terrorist, but Nnamdi Kanu is being detained unlawfully. Why the leaders of Boko Haram and ISWAP, the leaders of Fulani herdsmen, the leaders of Fulani herdsmen are there. The leaders of bandits, they are there. Nobody arrests them. But come to Nnamdi Kanu issue. Nnamdi Kanu was being arrested, detained unlawfully because he stand to gain his own country. He stand for the truth. He stand that the Fulani people, they are trying to take over the country, to change the country to a Islamic country as a plan. Because of that, they hold him. That is because he wanted to get a country. Who is him to say he want to get a country? Why the leaders of terrorists, they are moving freely, they are even escorting them with social security again? I'm sending this message to those people that I just called. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, remove hand, release Nnamdi Kanu, because the people when those guys they kill for the east, not be your family member, not be your son, not be Sheyi that they kill. Chief of Defense Staff, not be your pikin that they kill. I know how many soldiers don't go down from the east. My classmates, they don't die for that east. All in the name of, say, una they wage war against the indigenous people of Biafra. I know how many of my classmates don't die. Una all village people don't die. Your all pikin don't die. Make una remove hand. Make una release Nnamdi Kanu. Because why? The service chief of the security of this country, they get her put for the detained of Nnamdi Kanu. The governors, the whole governor of the 36 states, they get her put for the wrongful detained of Nnamdi Kanu. Because I see no reason why somebody don't see how the country be. The country is not moving. You say you want to get to your country, so it's not a problem to you people. It's not the problem to you people. Why the terrorists, the leader of the terrorists, are moving freely in the country? Why the criminal politicians are moving freely? So therefore, all the whole governor in this Nigeria, now the day against Nnamdi Kanu. That is why Nnamdi Kanu is still there. If you like, You talk, you say why what this guy is saying, what this idiot is saying. The idiot is saying that the whole governor in this country, now the day behind the detention of Nnamdi Kanu. What the idiot is saying is that the IG he hand day for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, the DSS he hand day for the detention of Nnamdi Kanu, and the people that they have been killing in the east, all in the name to make sure that the Biafra will not work, not be una family. E get why I say make una come on and release Nnamdi Kanu, make peace reign. Because the way when they take the kill soldiers for east, that they kill for north, that they kill for south, that they kill for west, all the whole problem and the death na soldier head and police na im dey go for. No be una pikin, una don hide una pikin for abroad. They give command, say go to the east, go to Imo, go to Enugu, go to Anambra, go to Abia, go to Ebonyi, go to Calabar, while una old pikin dey for abroad, dey speak English. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, none of your pikin dey for this country. Na only Shey dey for this country. Shey na waka Shey dey go come. Then the soldier one dey say make they go dey protect one another, they pay well when they kill for every four corner of this country. They say make I tell you, say make you release Nnamdi Kanu. Now recently now they don't capture another soldier. If you be saying Boko Haram capture this soldier, therefore don't buy him. Since they're not going to answer any question. Boko Haram kill for no reason. Why IPOB kill for reason? Because they want to get their own country. I am not supporting the killing. Because not be the killing go make the Biafra work. The reason why I'm saying this, they should let Nnamdi Kanu go. He not do anything. He's not a member of terrorists, he's not a leader of terrorists. So why are you people keeping him? And people are dying in the east. They are killing people in the east, kidnapping people in the east, all in the name of getting Biafra. Killing soldiers in the east, kidnapping soldiers, slaughtering soldiers. They slaughter soldiers, they remove their intestines, they remove their tongue, they go, they take and do ritual. All in the name of the IPOB, release Nnamdi Kanu so that peace go there for east, so that soldiers go move freely. And indigenous of Biafra, who joins soldier, cannot go to his village again because of Nnamdi Kanu is on detention. So I call upon una, make una release Nnamdi Kanu. Una dey postpone to October. And that October, before that October, a life of soldier and a life of police won't go waste. Now only God know. Now only God know. Then my message to you, BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, my message to you now. Killing soldier is not the, it can never bring Biafra back. Taking of people's life in the east can never restore Biafra. Make I just give you now this wala. If you want, say you really want make ground shake, make the release Nnamdi Kanu, not be today for east. They catch person talk, now send video by the person, or now give the person warning, go release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu case is on the 10th October. If you want, una get the power to make sure say una want make the release una by fire by force. On the 7th of October, all of you ready yourself. Wanna go hold ground for High Court for Abuja. Wanna slow a very high protest as they carry Nnamdi Kanu and as they carry come out say they don't join the communal hijacker from them. Make everything when what happen, make it happen. Now my advice to una. But stay in the east, all the whole state in the east or in the south. From there, the same message through social media. He can never release Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is an innocent person. He's not a leader of terrorists. They know the reason why they are holding him. The whole government is behind the detention of Nnamdi Kanu because they know what the mission is all about. They know what the plan is all about. I know what I'm saying. So that is my advice. Make una go to Abuja High Court on the 7th. Mona hold ground there. As they carry and court to court, then they adjourn the court again. Mona collect Nnamdi Kanu from them. That is the only solution. Not be today there. Or if you don't want to do them, If na no one do am, make una make sure una hold all the whole state governor from the east. Enugu, make una hold am. Anambra, make una hold am. Abia, make una hold am. Imo, make una hold am. Ebonyi, make una hold am. Make una hold all those places ransom. No work, no government. All the whole governor should go to Abuja and bring back Nnamdi Kanu. Because if this thing say na nothing for happen, they no go fit try am. They no go fit try am. Hold somebody unlawfully, detention, read this kind of time. Therefore, don't do one or two things to release am. By killing of soldier is not advisable. You cannot get Biafra through killing of soldiers. Soldiers, they are innocent. They obey the last order. They go for that. If they did not go, they will court-martial them or they will dismiss them for failure to perform mission or refusing order. So now Nigerians, now waiting soldier refer for is be this. But if na Boko Haram, they go buy am. But now the BLA, Biafra Liberation Army, say they are going to give this man a second chance. See the reason why I make this video now because of this soldier, this corporal. Now like this, that they buy soldier from east, they no go know. Even the commander, they no go care. They will say, Mrs. Soldier, you don't finish. Now like this, make una just watch and listen very carefully. After everything, Bola Ahmed Tinubu and all the whole governors, commanders, IG, make una leave Nnamdi Kanu. Make soldier and police know they die, Sarah and the villagers. Make una just watch.
Ahua,
Sir,
what is your name?
my name is 06NA of the 59 of the 5412 Corporal Toriola Adewale from Nigeria Army 16 Brigade. I'm serving in 16 Brigade Nigeria Army until I travel to this Okigwe, which I entered the Biafra Liberation Army. And as they had me since almost 2 or 3 days now, they made sure that they didn't do me any evil. They tell me that they are fighting for the liberation of the Biafra, that everything about me they want to know, and that's why I'm explaining. And they don't do me any evil since I come. They take care of me as I beg them to forgive me and pardon me for a second chance in life. So they said they have heard me, that they are not to harm me or they are not wicked people. All what they want is to make sure that the Biafra liberate. So that is the reason why I'm here. I'm begging, and they said they have listened to me, that they will consider me, that they are not wicked people, that they will give me second chance.
What do you say is your name?
Corporal Toriola Adewale.
You are a Yoruba man.
Yes, sir.
A Yoruba man. You see now that, and now you are in the hands of the Biafran Liberation Army.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the difference between the Zoo Janjaweed and the Biafran Liberation Army?
Yes, sir. I've seen the difference. It's not like the way we treated the Biafra people, the way they treated the IGBO. So this very one, if you people take care of me, you don't harm me, you don't do me any evil. You only ask me some question. As I'm answer, you say you are going to give me second chance.
Now, we are going to give you the second chance with one condition, that you will leave. You are going to leave Biafran land and never to come back again until Biafra is fully restored.
Yes, sir.
Now, what message do you have for your brothers, those idiots still remaining in that zoo military, that terrorist camp? What do you have to tell your brothers, those ones there? What message do you have for them?
My advice for my people, that they still remain in the armed forces, Yoruba and the Igbo, whosoever. My advice for them is for everybody to go back to his own area, his own state, his own region, so that everybody will go on their own. That is my advice for them.
Tell them, call them, those ones in remaining from that place that you serve. Tell them Tell them your name so that they will see you very clearly. They know you. Tell your colleagues.
My advice to the soldier in 16th Brigade is that they should make sure that they resign and go to their own various area, because make the Nigeria divide, everybody go on their own. That is my advice for them. As you can see, Biafra is a thing that they must come to the pass. As the people are agitating, make our people, make everybody go on their own. That is my advice for them.
What message do you also have for your president, your Janjaweed president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu?
My advice for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is to release nnamdi, kanu, and to stop looking for Simon Ekpa, and to share the nation. Let the Biafra people go, and any other people that they seek for their own nation, so that everybody will be on their own and peace will be. That is my advice, sir.
So this message is for those people out there talking rubbish that Biafran Liberation Army, that we are terrorists. Look at the Fulani terrorists, the Fulani Janjaweed, the Nigerian terrorists, the Nigerian Janjaweed, and Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
Ngwanụ daalụ niile nụ ụmụnne m dịka unu si na-esoro anyị n'Igbo Media. Gịnị ka unu nwere ikwu na nkọwa nke unu gbasara maka ihe unu nọ n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa? Gwa anyị ife iche n'ụdị nke gị, deela ya n'akara kọmentị ka mara ihe i chere, ma chetakwa tụsaa ya bụ ozi ka o wereta ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Ndewo na ụmụnne m, ka emesịanụ.